Hello, today we are going to talk about Deutsche Bank Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Deutsche Bank Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 1.50 crore to 100 crore for service sector, 2.50 crore to 100 crore for trader, 2 crore to 100 crore for manufacturer. Co-applicant age should be between 27 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 680. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 15 lakh to 1 crore. Tenure will be 15 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 16% to 20% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 3 years. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence one should be owned within lending branch jurisdiction. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Deutsche Bank Business Loan: no of enquiries not matter, no of running loan not matter. Location will be Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad, Kolhapur, Moradabad, Ludhiana, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai, Salem, Vellore, Ahmedabad, Surat. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are both side rented, school, grain traders, advocates, jewelers, share traders, liquor business. No specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.